Hi everyone! Today I'll be making cinnamon pie. What all goes into the cinnamon pie? 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, room temperature, 1 1/3 cups brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 egg yolk, 1 1/4 cups heavy cream, 1/4 cup flour, 3 tablespoons cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 1/2 teaspoons vanilla, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 pie crust, homemade or store-bought. So you know me, I bought a pie crust. And powdered sugar, optional for garnish. So let's begin. I have a cutting board here. I'm going to roll out my refrigerator dough. It says about 20 minutes to lay it out so it's more pliable. I'm just going to roll this out a little bit bigger so it will go up the sides of the pie dish. Don't have to get it too much bigger because this is for 9-inch pies. Like I said, I just want it to be able to go up the side. All right, so I'm going to brush off the excess flour. My pie dough is in my pie pan. And we don't have to par bake this, which is nice. We don't have to prick the bottom of it, which is nice. And you can trim the edges if it's up too high. I think it's going to be okay. And I'm just crimping the edges to make it a little prettier. I am terrible at pie making, so my crust probably will not turn out. I just don't want it to fall down. All right, set that aside. Preheat the oven to 350. In a large bowl or mixer, beat cream cheese for 2 to 3 minutes until smooth. I'll be using my stand mixer for this. And beat that for 2 to 3 minutes until smooth. So it is smooth now. Add your 1 1/3 cups brown sugar. And beat that for another 3 to 4 minutes or until fluffy and lightened in color. Take your eggs one at a time and beat that after each addition of egg. There's number 1. Number 2. And the egg yolk. Then add your 1 1/4 cups of heavy whipping cream. And the 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla. And mix that until combined. Then add your 1/4 cup flour into the cream cheese mixture, your 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, your 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and your 1 teaspoon of salt. And then just mix that until fully incorporated. All right, so I switched to a spatula just so I could get the sides, and then just stir that. Make sure you get to the bottom. After you got it all mixed up, pour this into your prepared pie crust. Now I have this on a baking sheet as well, just in case it boils over. I don't think it will, but better to be safe than sorry. Put your cinnamon pie in a preheated 350-degree oven for 35 minutes. Intil set in the center, but little jiggly. I'm going to let it set on the pan for 20 minutes or so, and then I'm going to move it onto a cooling rack and let it finish cooling. This is optional. Before you serve it, you can dust it with some powdered sugar. So here is the cinnamon pie. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Is chocolate?
Taste it and see if you know.
It's cinnamon and something.
Well, very good. It's cinnamon pie.
There's cinnamon and nothing.
There's nutmeg in it and brown sugar and other stuff. But since you're good at guessing cinnamon, I figured you'd get that.
Yeah, that's probably one of the few actual flavors that I seem to be able to identify. I like it. It's not my favorite pie. Still stuck on the pecan thing, and that other, whatever that other pecan thing was that you did without the crust, that was really good. I like this.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.